Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday easy look using all affordable products. So I'm starting out with the Olay Whip, and I love using this because it's like a moisturizer and primer in one, so it hydrates my skin and it also absorbs all oils throughout the day to give a dewy look without that oily shine. I even love using this on days I'm not wearing any makeup because it's really amazing for hiding pores, which I definitely struggle with. And it also has SPF, so you get everything in one product. You can find this at CVS, and I'll have the link down below so you guys can check it out. So next I'm applying my foundation all over my face. This one is by EX1 Cosmetics and it works really well for me because I have dry skin and I find it pretty hydrating. So now I'm just using the LA Girl Cosmetics concealer and I'm just using this on my dark circles and my chin area, and I also blend it onto my eyes as well to kind of brighten them up. Now I'm going in with this powder by L'Oreal and I'm just using that to set my whole face. So I just grabbed a fluffy brush and kind of just use this all over my face. So next I'm using this bronzer by Rimmel and just using a fluffy brush to keep it super natural. I'm just going to put this on my cheekbones and my jaw area and kind of drag it down my neck as well, just so there's no harsh lines. And then I go in with my blush. This is my absolute favorite by NYX Cosmetics in the shade Mauve Me. And then I'm going back into the bronzer and just kind of shading in my crease to add some depth to my eyes. And I also go underneath my lash line as well. So now I'm just gonna put on some lashes. These ones are INV by Kiss, I believe, and you can totally skip this step. Honestly, for me it's just faster to use lashes than mascara. Mascara takes me so long because I like my lashes to look really full. But yeah, you can totally skip this and use mascara. It's up to you. And then I don't do this part day to day just because my eyebrows are pretty full, but if you like to fill your brows in, a great product that I recommend is this one by Vasanti Cosmetics. It's super quick and easy to use. So I am obsessed with blush, so I'm just going back into that blush again, and this one actually has like a highlight in it as well, so yeah, that just added a nice glow. And then the final step is the lips, and I love to use just a lip liner day to day, and this one is my favorite by NYX Cosmetics in the shade Mahogany. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you next time. Bye.